Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Linton's Family, and today I'm going to be learning how to ride a bike. And it's been long. I learned how to ride a bike when I was 5 years old. So now I'm going to be learning how to ride a bike. So let's get on to the video. Man, guys, this is hard. And it's hard, but I think I'm going to pull it off today.
Someone is still trying. Go, Praise. You can do it. Go, Praise. You can do it.
So guys, if I don't do it today, we're going to come back next time and try it again. So guys, it's the next day. And now I've learned how to ride my bike. So now you guys are gonna be seeing me riding my bike. So let's go. So guys, as you can see, I can go really fast now. So guys, as you can see, it only took me a day to learn how to ride my bike. And guys, whatever you put your mind into, you can do it. And guys, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Bye!